Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the ow sound. The ow sound is a special friend or digraph because the two letters O and W together make the ow sound. Now you might be thinking, I've seen O and W together before, and that's because they also make an O sound. Ow, O, ow, O. But today we're going to be learning the ow sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Ow, ow, ow. Excellent. Now let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the ow sound. I found a cow. Can you hear the ow sound at the end of cow? Cow, cow. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ow sound. Oh, I found a towel. Can you hear the ow sound in the middle of towel? Towel, towel. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ow sound. I found an owl. Can you hear the ow sound at the beginning of owl? Owl, owl. Excellent. So owl, towel and cow all use the ow sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the ow sound. To write the ow sound, we need to write the letter O and the letter W. For our O, we start at the top and we go all the way around. And for our W, start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big stretch, give your shoulders a big roll. And remember, you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Magic fingers and start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the ow sound. Our first word today is cow. My turn first. Ow, cow. Your turn. Cow. My turn again. Ow, cow. Your turn. Cow. Excellent. Our next word today is town. My turn first. Ow, town. Your turn. Town. My turn again. Ow, town. Your turn. Town. Excellent. And our last word today is down. My turn first. Ow, down. Your turn. Down. My turn again. Ow, down. Your turn. Down. Excellent. Well done on working really hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!